How much have you been drinking tonight?
Barely.
Oh, it smells like you. You got your license? Do you have your license?
Yeah, I do.
I need your license, man. Okay, well, can I get your license?
This Clearwater, Florida investigation raises several core issues under both Florida statutory law and federal constitutional precedent. The legal framework governing impaired driving in Florida is codified primarily under Florida Statute 316.193, which criminalizes operation or actual physical control of a motor vehicle, while normal faculties are impaired, or while the breath alcohol concentration equals or exceeds 0.08. For drivers under the age of 21, Florida applies a far stricter standard. Under Florida Statute 322.2616, any underage driver with a breath alcohol concentration of 0.02 or higher commits a separate civil infraction independent of the criminal DUI charge. This dual-track approach means an underage driver may face criminal prosecution and administrative license suspension simultaneously from a single arrest.
Hey, how's it going?
Hi, how are you?
So, someone reported you hitting a car. Can you tell me what happened? You moved your car over here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Worse.
Where were you parked initially?
Right here. Like,
You just said you moved your car.
well, I was like over there, and I was like, okay, let me park over here so I like can.
Okay. Alright. Alright, so I see red marks here. And that BMW does have a mark on there too. Alright. Listen. When you hit a car, you're supposed to, say in the parking lot, right? Leave a note, your name, insurance, address, phone number. Okay. Do you have any of that on you?
Yeah, I do.
Can I get that from you?
I think that's it. I think that's it. Like, I don't know.
You have your license?
Yeah.
Ma'am?
Yes.
How much have you been drinking tonight?
Barely.
Oh, I can smell it from you. You got your license?
I'm trying to find it. Yeah, but like this.
Do you have your license?
Yeah, I do.
I need your license,
no one's
man.
Driving, so
Okay, well, can I get your license?
Oh my fucking god.
Is this your car?
Yeah, it is.
Okay. What's your name?
Island. Can you look me up?
I need your license. How do you get inside bars?
I don't. Like, I literally don't.
Okay. But I gotta have your license, alright?
I don't go into bars. I fucking like, do homework and like do nothing. Like I fucking have my backpack and like that's it. Like I don't know what you want from me.
Well, you hit a car, so I need your information.
Yeah. If I call my mom, like, is that fine?
No. Just, let me get your... What's your last name? What's your first name again?
Kylie.
What's your middle?
Nicole.
Okay. All right, just stand by here. I'm gonna grab my car, okay? Can you step over here? Just behind this car. All right. Clearly, go right there. So you're clearly under the influence. Okay. I'm gonna ask you a few questions if you don't mind.
Okay.
Are you diabetic or anything like that?
No.
You don't take any kind of medication?
No.
Physical impairments?
No.
No? Okay. You wear glasses or contacts?
Nope.
Okay. So I do believe you are impaired, like I said again. I have a series of exercises that I want to run with you.
Go ahead.
Do you mind doing them?
Go ahead.
Would you like to do them?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So for the first one, I'm going to check your eyes, okay?
Okay.
What I want you to do, stand feet together, arms down your side, and you just see your phone.
Okay, go ahead.
You're going to set your arms down your side, okay? And what you're going to do is, you're going to follow this pen with your eyes and your eyes only. Tip of this pen right here where my finger is. You know where you're looking, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Follow your eyes and your eyes only. Do not move your head. Only move your eyes, okay? Do you have any questions? Keep your arms down at the side like this.
Yes. Why does fucking everyone have to look at me?
Yeah, this is Don't move your head. Follow your eyes only, okay? Follow your eyes only.
I can stay. If you want to stay, I can go. We're not one to type.
Can you do me a favor? Alright, you can keep your hands like this to help hold your head, okay? Just keep your head straight so you can follow your eyes only, because you're still moving your head. So make a fist, put it directly under your chins, follow your eyes only, okay?
Sounds good. Alrighty. Catch you later.
Is where like I'm supposed to keep my hands.
Now I'm just gonna go up and down, so
Okay.
just keep following your eyes,
Okay.
okay? Okay. All right. So I got 2 more exercises.
Go ahead.
Okay. So you don't mind doing them?
Go ahead.
Okay. So just hang tight right here, all right?
Okay.
What's that?
I'm cold.
You're cold? Okay, we're almost done.
Okay.
We're almost done.
All right. The next exercise is going to be called a walk and turn.
Okay.
So before I start my explanation, I'm going to place you in the starting position. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you're going to put your left foot on the line.
Okay. Left first?
Left, yep.
Okay.
So put your left foot on the line,
Okay.
and then you're going to put your right foot in front of it,
Okay.
heel touching toe,
Okay.
just like this.
Yes. There you go.
Don't start yet.
Okay.
I'm just going to place you in the starting position, all right? You're not going to start anything. You're going to watch and listen. I'm going to demonstrate. You're not going to start until I tell you to start, okay?
Okay.
All right. Go ahead and put your left foot on the line, just like this. No, like this.
Oh, what? Okay.
Left foot on the line. Put your right foot forward.
Oh, what?
Okay. Just like this. And then you're gonna put your arms down to the side just like this. Alright, you're gonna watch me and listen as I explain and demonstrate. Do you understand? You're gonna maintain this position. Do you understand? Okay. I'm gonna flip around so you can see what I'm doing. So you stay in that position I just put you in, okay? Are you good?
Yeah.
Okay. So from the starting position, so go back to the starting position. It's just like this. You're gonna maintain this position, okay? You're gonna maintain this position. Alright?
It's so fucking difficult.
You're just gonna watch me and listen, do not move. Alright? So when I tell you to begin, you're gonna take 9 heel to toe steps down this line right here. And you're gonna count out loud. Just like this. 1, 2, 3, and so on until you get to 9. When you get to 9, you're going to take a series of small steps just like this. And you count out loud again. 1, 2, 3, and so on until you get to 9. Yep. So we go back to the starting position.
The starting position is that way, right?
I can't explain it again.
1, 2, 3. What?
Okay, you're gonna be going down this line, okay?
Oh, what? You made it sound like you were going that way.
No, we're just demonstrating.
Okay.
Okay. Alright, I can start over, alright?
Go ahead.
So I'm gonna place you back in the starting position.
Okay.
So put your left foot on the line.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Turn.
Okay. So I didn't tell you to begin, but I'm gonna put you in the starting position, okay? So in the starting position, so you're gonna go back over there. Okay. You're gonna put your left foot on the line. There you go. You're gonna put your right foot in front of it, heel touching toe. And you're gonna put your arms onto your side. You're gonna maintain this position while I explain and demonstrate. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just let me know when you're ready for me to.
Go.
Okay. You're gonna stay in this position. All right. You're gonna be walking down this line, remember that, alright? I'm gonna go ahead and turn this way so you can see.
So I'm going that way?
You're going this way.
Okay, I'm going that way.
Yep. So your goal is to walk on this line, okay? Okay. So when I tell you to begin,
Go.
okay, you good?
Go.
When I tell you to begin, you're gonna take 9 heel to toe steps down this line right here. Okay? You're gonna keep your arms on your side, eyes on your toes. You're gonna count your steps out loud, just like this. 1, 2, 3, and so on until you get to 9. When you get to 9, you're gonna take a series of small steps, just like this. And you're gonna count 9 steps again, just like this. 1, 2, 3, and so on until you get to 9. Do you understand? Okay.
1,
And don't
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I do it back.
yeah, you got a series of small steps. You want to try again, or is that?
Do you want me to try again?
Or do you want to move on to the next one? Okay. All right, we'll move on to the next one, okay? It's gonna be called a one-leg stand. All right. So, same thing as a walk and turn. I'm gonna place you in the starting position. You're gonna maintain that position while I explain and demonstrate. Do you understand? Okay. So for the starting position, you're gonna stand with your feet together, arms down at your side, and this is the position you're gonna maintain while I explain. Okay? When I tell you to do so, you're gonna raise either foot, your left or your right,
Okay.
okay? Approximately 6 inches off the ground, like this. Don't start yet.
Okay.
For
how long?
You're just gonna keep this position until I tell you to begin, okay? So you're just gonna stay like this until I tell you to do so, okay?
For how long though?
We'll get there, okay?
Okay.
One step at a time. So when I tell you to do so, to begin, you're gonna raise either your left foot or your right foot, approximately 6 inches off the ground, just like this, which is about a soda can, okay? And you're gonna keep both arms at your sides with your foot parallel to the ground and your eyes on your foot. You're gonna count out loud just like this: 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on until I tell you to stop. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I don't want you to use your arms for balance or sway.
Okay, but it's fucking cold.
If you put your foot down,
What?
if you put your foot down, just pick it back up and count where you left off. Okay? Do you understand? Okay. Do you have any questions?
No.
All right. You can go to the starting position now.
You're right.
Just go back to the starting position. Wait until I tell you to begin. Okay. No questions at all? Okay. You may begin. You may stop. Okay. All right, just step on over here for me. Your hands on your back, man. Are they comfortable? Are they too tight?
Yeah.
Okay. This. Okay. Try to tighten a little bit, okay?
Why am I getting handcuffed?
Well, stop turning. Stop turning.
Okay, well,
We'll explain it in a minute.
Okay, so right now you're under arrest for DUI. All right. All right, man. Step this way.
For what?
115. I got 110, 15. I got. Can I get female for a search? Ma'am, step over here. Ma'am, do you not? Oh, wait. Just sit here and we'll explain, okay? Just sit with it. Alright, ma'am, right here I got something called the implied consent warning. I'm going to be requesting that you submit a lawful test of your breath for determine the purpose of your alcohol content.
Okay.
Will you take this test?
Absolutely.
Okay.
But I'm sleeping here, so it's like I'm not driving. So like, what's the problem?
So unfortunately, because you were in physical control of your vehicle, your keys in the car, you were in the car. I watched you get out of the car as well. Okay. You're technically still in control of the car. Alright. I'm going to read you a little something called the Miranda warning. You have the right to remain silent until you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to the lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand? Do you wish to talk to me?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, be honest with me. How much have you had to drink tonight?
2 drinks.
2 drinks. Okay. What kind of drinks were they?
Wine.
Wine?
Yes, sir.
Red wine? White wine?
Wait. Red.
Did you have any liquor, beer, or anything?
Red, no.
You only
Just
had
red
wine?
Yes, sir.
Is it 2 bottles of wine or 2 cups of wine?
2 cups of wine.
2 cups of wine. Where were you coming from tonight? Because I know you said you were here, Tampa.
Yeah, JW Marriott.
JW Marriott?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Alright. Just put your feet in the car for me, okay? We're going to have a female come search you just in case. Is there any belongings that you want to take with you?
Can I look? Like,
Do you know where your ID is?
please, where am I going?
So right now for the breath, we're going to go over to the main station where the breath machine is, okay?
Like, I'm gonna be like, wait, stop. Like, I'm gonna be put like green outfit.
A green outfit?
Yes.
No, we don't have any green outfits.
Okay.
Probable cause here rests on a textbook accumulation of evidence, a corroborated witness account, observable paint transfer on both vehicles, the odor of alcohol, an admission to consumption, and demonstrated failure of the 3 standardized field sobriety tests validated by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. Under Atwater versus City of Lago Vista, decided in 2001, the Supreme Court confirmed that custodial arrest based on probable cause for even minor offenses does not violate the Fourth Amendment. The timing of the Miranda warning in this investigation is legally significant. Under Berkemer versus McCarty, decided in 1984, the Supreme Court held that ordinary roadside DUI investigations are not custodial interrogations triggering Miranda. Warnings become mandatory only upon formal arrest, which is precisely when they were administered here. Statements obtained during field sobriety testing are therefore admissible without prior advisement. The breath test itself is governed by Florida's implied consent law under Florida Statute 316.1932. The Supreme Court's decision in Birchfield v. North Dakota in 2016 confirmed that warrantless breath tests incident to a lawful DUI arrest are constitutional. Refusal carries a mandatory 1-year license suspension and is admissible at trial as consciousness of guilt.
All right, just hang tight for me, okay?
Just one step at a time. Put
One
your
step
foot
at
in
a
the
time,
car,
right?
Okay.
What's it taste like?
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. So I'm Officer Perry. I'm just going to search you real quick, okay?
Go ahead.
All right, so step out. All right, just face over here. Face the car. There you go. Do you have anything on you that's going to poke me, stick me, harm me in any way?
No.
All right, separate your legs. Is there anything stashed up, hiding anywhere?
No.
Okay, because once you get to the jail, if they find it, it's going to be another charge, okay? You understand that?
Yes.
Does this have pockets? No. Do you have anything underneath this?
No, you can literally check it.
I'm good.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Anything in your shoes?
Check it.
Won't have you take the whole thing off. Okay. You're good. You can get back in.
So, where am I going?
Right now,
It's just like the other officer explained to you. You'll go to the downtown Clearwater police station for the wet test, and then we'll go from there.
All right, ma'am. I'm gonna leave the door open. I'm just gonna observe you, okay?
What?
We have a portable breath test that's coming here. Okay?
Okay.
So you're gonna blow into the portable one, all right? If you want to, then you can hang your legs out. Just get comfortable, okay?
Okay. That'd be great.
Do you have anyone that you can call once you get to jail that can help you bond out, or you have to do it yourself?
I mean, like, I could call my mom, but, like, I feel like my mom would, like, actually shoot me in the head. So, like,
How old are you?
19. So, like, I don't know. Wait, would my mom know about this, like, at all?
I mean, I'm sure you're gonna have to tell her at some point. Does she
No.
still help you pay your bills at all?
Barely.
Because DUIs are not cheap. So you don't have to. We're not telling your mom. We're not gonna tell your mom. Okay, let's walk over there because it's almost time.
Me?
Yeah, we're gonna walk over to this car. Can you pull your skirt down at all?
I'm trying.
Can you move your hand up front? Yeah, there we go.
This is super gross.
All right, we're gonna walk over here. All right, just lean against this car for me. Just take one step back. You gotta open this door.
So what? I'm gonna be in, like, an orange jumpsuit, right? Okay. And then what?
What?
And then what?
You'll sit there and sober up.
I don't give a fuck about sobering up. I'm
Well,
already
you have
sober.
to. You have
okay,
to.
I'm already sober. So, like, what else?
You just sit there and
Is
you
there
wait.
gonna, like, be someone that's, like, fucking, like, gay as fuck, like, trying to, like...
No, they're not gonna
Oh
let.
my
They're,
god, I swear to god.
they're not gonna. They won't let people. Basically, they'll give you a chance to make a phone call. You're gonna need someone to help you bail out. Or you're gonna have to sit there till the morning till you go see a judge.
So my mom has to know about it.
Someone, boyfriend, girlfriend, roommate, anyone.
No. What about myself? Like, what if, like, I pay for
Do you
it?
have your card?
Yeah.
Yeah,
How much is that?
It's gonna be $50. But you have to have some sort of...
50? That's it?
If you get a bondsman, or 500 if you
How
just...
the fuck do you get a bondsman?
You're gonna go into this room and they're gonna have a list of a bunch of phone numbers for bonds people to call.
Okay.
And you'll call them and you know, every opportunity. The thing is, by you doing it yourself, you got to rely that, you know, there's going to be open phones, and it's a Friday night, so the jail may be busy, so there may not be open phones all night.
But who am I calling?
You'll just pick a bondsman.
Random people?
You'll just pick a bondsman off the list.
Okay.
They'll answer the phone. You'll tell them your name,
Yeah.
your charge, and then they'll.
What's my charge? Please tell me.
I don't know, man. I just showed
Well, you
up.
should not.
I just
Because you're the one that fucking arrested me.
I'm not. I just showed up. I'm not the one that arrested you.
Okay, well, let me know because...
He'll tell you.
Okay.
All right, step forward real quick.
Yes.
Big deep breath. And blow. Keep going, keep going. Harder, 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 harder. All right, step back. What's your name? Kylie, do you know what the legal limit in Florida is?
What the legal what?
Limit in Florida to drive?
No.
It's a .08.
Yeah,
If you had a guess, what was yours?
0.6.
You're a .235. You're over double legal limit.
Oh, really?
You're hammered.
I'm really not.
You are.
I'm not.
You are.
Okay.
I'm telling you, most grown people can't even walk at that level. How often do you drink? Quite a bit. Because if it wasn't quite a bit, you wouldn't be walking right now. You're 19 years old. Come on.
Okay, well...
Everyone likes to party. I get it. You can be a kid. I was a kid.
No, it's not even that.
I was a kid.
Stress hits you like a motherfucker, so...
I was a kid in college once too.
And
But
it's not even about, like, having fun. It's literally about stress.
The reported result of 0.235 triggers Florida's enhanced penalty provisions under subsection 4 of the DUI statute. Any breath alcohol concentration of 0.15 or higher mandates increased fines, extended probation, and ignition interlock device installation. Even on a first offense, Florida's actual physical control doctrine simultaneously forecloses the common defense that the subject was merely sitting in a parked vehicle.
Okay, just face the door for me, and I'll get. No, it's just there's transport people. Okay, good job. All right, so.
Double?
Huh?
Are you, like, double arrested?
No.
He's just changing the cuffs.
Yeah, they're gonna go to the front. So make it a little bit more.
Thank you.
All right. So watch your step here, and watch your head as you come in.
This is so fucking disgusting.
Well, if it makes you feel better, I do sanitize it after.
Yeah. You
Yeah.
do? With alcohol?
No, we've got a Dramatical spray that the jail has. So spray it down and stuff like that. It's just, this is an old an old man. And don't worry about that guy over there. He's just high on like meth or something.
Oh, meaning like there's somebody like right there, like
Yeah.
high on drugs. Awesome.
Well, he's going
But
as
you're mixing you in.
no, you guys are separate.
Technically, like I'm gonna fucking like break the show, or like he could, cause like he's like fucking insane.
No, you see that big ass dog? So there's no way he's gonna push through that. Plus, I can hear you guys, but I can't talk back because there's a one-way
It's fine,
platform.
it's fine, it's fine.
So if
Don't
you
worry about it.
get cold, just holler. Okay, I'll turn it up. And I got a camera right here, so don't worry about anything. You'll be fine, okay? All right, and I got one stop, and then I'll get you to the jail.
Meaning we're going to pick up another fucking person.
Yeah, but they'll be on the other side too. So you're nice and you're good to go, okay?
The investigating officer earns an A- for procedural compliance, methodical instruction, and consistent professionalism. The subject earns a D, reflecting the gravity of the underlying conduct and her complete failure to invoke the protective rights available after Miranda. The reporting witness earns a clear A for civic responsibility. The legal lesson is straightforward. After Miranda warnings are administered, silence is a constitutional shield, not a sign of guilt. Voluntary admissions, voluntary disclosures of travel origin, and voluntary submission to evidentiary testing transform an otherwise contestable case into one of overwhelming proof. Drivers under 21 face compounded exposure under both criminal and administrative statutes, and the actual physical control doctrine defeats any parked vehicle defense. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.